We were Jesus, saved me, blue jean baby, born in the USA. Trailer park, truck stop, faded little map dots, New York to LA. We were teenage dreaming, front seat leaning, baby come give me a kiss. Put me on the cover of the Rolling Stone, uptown, down on American kids. Rolling up in little pink houses, making out on living room couches, blowing that smoke on Saturday night. A little messed up, but we're all alright. Hey! Hey everybody, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and today I'm going to do a couple things. I'm going to teach you, first of all, I'm going to teach you how to play American Kids by Kenny Chesney. I haven't done a Kenny Chesney song yet, so hopefully you guys like it. And then I think it's just a great song. And then also, I want to give a shout out to Adriana A. She saw my tequila video and commented and said that she feels like she can play it super well now because I walked her through all the steps. So shout out to Adriana A. And thanks for your comment. So I really appreciate it, and for subscribing and stuff. So to all of you who have subscribed already, thanks so much. To those of you who haven't, I would ask you to do it if you feel like these are informational videos and they're useful. Okay, so let's get right into the song. All right, so it's standard tuning, no capo. I love that stuff. And this one's going to be pretty easy. There's 2 chord progressions in it, and they are, you use the same exact chords, but you'd use them in different orders. So to start, you are going to do 4 times. You're going to play E minor, okay, and then you're going to do B. I'm just doing the power chord though, I'm not actually playing B. So I'm just playing B like that, okay? So I'm just leaving this finger out and putting these 2 up higher, okay? So it just does a power chord for B. And if you need help with that, it's pointer finger on the A string on the 2nd fret, 4th finger, or ring finger on the 4th fret on the D string, and then your pinky finger will go on the 4th fret on the G string, okay? And then you're gonna mute the top one like that, if you can see that right there, okay? So you're going to do E minor, B, and then you're going to do C, then G, okay? That's how the intro and the verses go, and it's all of the verses, okay? So you're going to play, okay? So it's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, yeah, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, okay? So you can try and play it like different ways. If I strum up and you feel like that's where you should strum down, if it sounds better and if it sounds like it goes with it, that's okay. There's different ways to do the same thing on guitar, so don't stress too much about it. But yeah, so it's just down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay? So I think I said that wrong the very last part. But anyway, so then when you play it faster, it'll be, okay? You play that through 4 times. I'm not going to teach you how to play the intro part, just like where it's like the do 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 do, just because I want you to just be able to play the song all the way through and perform it for people. And if you do that part, it's not really going to, it doesn't go with it. So anyway, so you'll play that all the way through. So it's like double wide quick stop, let's see, yeah, double wide quick stop, midnight T-top, jacket or cherry coke tank, okay? Mama and daddy. Okay, so that's how that goes. So that's how the verses go. And then at the end of the verse, when you do no AC in the vents, you're going to end on C. And you're going to play C extra long. You're going to say and then you're going to go to G. Okay? So then the chorus, for the pre-chorus, or I guess it's the beginning of the chorus anyway, the chords are G. Okay? G. Doesn't matter which G you do. I just usually play this one more because it's less fingers you have to use, but so you do G, then B, okay? Then you're gonna do E minor, and then C. And this is a different strumming pattern too, so it's gonna be, we were Jesus, saved me, blue jean baby, born in the USA. trailer park, truck stop, faded little map dots, New York to LA. Okay, so you may not have been able to tell it, so I'm going to walk you through it. So it's Jesus save me, blue jean baby. Okay, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, so it's just that down, down, up, down, up. Okay, and it's gonna be a little bit faster now, just playing it, but I wanted to walk you through it slowly. C, so it's G, B, E minor, C, okay, G, and then you start over. So then you will end this on C, uptown, home down, American kids, and then you go back into, it's the same, so for the rest of the chorus, you're going back to the same strumming pattern and chord progression as for the intro. So it's growing up in little pink houses, making out on living room couches, blowing that smoke on Saturday night, a little messed up, but we're all alright. Hey! And then you'll play through that twice, okay? So you play through that just twice with no lyrics, just the dun, 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 da, 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 okay? So you play through that twice. And then you will do the next verse, and it's going to be the same thing. You will end on the C. The second verse is exactly the same chord progression and strumming pattern as the first. And really, that's the entire song. I'm not going to teach you how to do the solo. Then the one reason for that, because you could play that for people, but the reason I don't want to teach it, and let me know if you really want me to in the comments. The reason I don't want to do it in this video is because, for one, it'll make the video pretty long, but also because it's actually played on a banjo. And so I don't know if you can tell the difference there, but it's for sure played on a banjo. And so you could do it on a guitar. I would say just leave it out and just play through the intro chord progression. Just do it twice. So if you just went, that's 1, 2, okay, and you go, we were Jesus save me. So then you would go back to C after, and then to G. We were Jesus save me, blue jean baby. Okay, so that's how you would do it. All right, that's how the whole song goes. And at the end, you just end it after a little messed up, but we're all right. Hey, and you just end it. You say hey after. Okay, that's it. So you can listen to the end of the song. That'll help you out a little bit. But that's the entire song. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And it's been a pleasure teaching you this time. All right, I hope you guys subscribe so I can be your constant guitar teacher. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.